Okay, real quick, I have a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500. It's a 4x4, 5.9 liter engine. The little red light here is coming off and on. The security, so it won't let me start the truck. What I noticed the last time was wrong was that these battery cable connections get corroded, and when they do, it creates like a resistance of some kind, and it doesn't allow the battery to get all the juice to the car. So what happens is the car system, the security system, thinks somebody's trying to mess with the battery, or try to mess around and try to steal the car. Because whenever somebody steals a car, the first thing they gotta do is disconnect the battery so the alarm don't go off. So the car thinks that the battery is being disconnected so it can be stolen. And so what happens, the computer sends the car into security mode because it's getting a weak signal, meaning that somebody's trying to take the battery cable off so they can steal it. So it sends the car into security mode and it won't start. So this happened the last time. I didn't get a chance to do a video, but now I can. Sorry, some guy's out there mowing. He wants me to move my truck, so this is why I'm out here doing this now. I just woke up. So here we go. I'm gonna spray these cables down real good. You can see they're pretty corroded. I haven't used my vehicle in a while because it broke down, and it still broke down. The transmission is slipping real bad, so I'm gonna get that fixed. But in the meantime, just let me spray these down real good, let it soak for a minute, and then I'll clean them up. And once they're cleaned up, it should start. But it's a little red security light that comes on, it blinks, and you turn your key and it won't start. That's the symptom. So if you're getting that symptom, it's probably because the battery cables need to be cleaned. This is just one of the options. And this is just one of the symptoms that could cause the battery or cause the security system to come on and not have a no start issue. I'll see if I can set the phone down somewhere real quick, and I go get some water so I can wash these things off and clean them. See if I can set this phone right here. Hopefully it don't slide down and go inside my car here. All right, just give me a second. I'll be right back. Get some water. All right, I'm back. So I'm just gonna clean these real quick. See where I can set my phone so you can kind of watch. It's pretty windy out here. Hopefully my phone won't slide from right there. But anyways, you can see a little bit of what I'm doing. This is a brand new battery. I just bought it, so it's not the battery. It hasn't even been used. I just moved here to where I'm at right now last night. I moved all my stuff over here, and I had to tow this car out here. It drives, but real slow. But it drives good, even though it's got transmission issues. It's just too slow. So anyways, I didn't want to mess it up, so I towed it, and it wouldn't let me start it so I can get it off the ramp. So I turned the key real fast, like 4 or 5 times, and it reset the system, and it let me pull it off the ramp. Then I parked it, and then the system went off again, the security. So I'm thinking maybe it's the batteries, because this happened to me last time. The battery was really corroded, so I had to clean it. And so were the terminals, and these terminals are brand new. And so I had to clean the terminals and everything, get it real nice. And once I got it cleaned up, I'm doing the positive one now. Once I got it all cleaned up, it turned right on. The security system stopped blinking. That little red lights just kind of stopped. It went away. Just got myself in the eye with that crap. Trying to do this fast because the guy's waiting for me to move my truck so he can mow this lawn. This corrosion will cause resistance. Won't let battery power go from your battery to your terminals and then throughout your car. So you have to keep your post clean and your terminals so it can start and there's less resistance and they don't have a problem starting. For some reason it's been doing this lately. All right, let me clean it. Still recording. Yeah, sometimes the video will cut out because I got too much memory on there and it's getting full and it'll turn off, but it's still recording, so good. Let's try this up. Good. I'm just going to put them on. I'm not going to tighten them down. Just going to get this car moved really quick. Hopefully that's enough to clean it. Looks kind of bad still under there, but let's see. I wonder if the battery's low. It shouldn't be low though. I hope it's not because I have to jump it. All right, still got all kinds of stuff in my car. I was trying to move it. All right, so now let's see if this will work. Now, well, okay, there we go. There it is. So that's the problem. So whenever you see that little light come on, it blinks. That little light right there, it's gonna blink. It's telling you security mode is, and what the security mode means is it thinks that someone's trying to break into your car and steal something. And the first thing people would have to do to break into a car is turn the battery, the power system off so the alarm doesn't go off, because they don't know if it's gonna sound when the alarm goes off. So they kill the battery, then they can break in your car and do whatever they want. Well, if you got a weak connection at your battery terminal post, the computer is the one that's going to say, hey, we got a weak battery. Somebody must be trying to break into this thing. Let's put this security code on. And it puts the car in security mode so they can't steal your car. But if you clean your terminals, get it nice and clean, it should start. Now it's got a good connection. The computer says, oh, we got a great connection. There's nothing wrong. Let's go ahead and start the car. So anyways, there's the video. I'll upload it here in a minute. Bye. Have a good one.